Welcome to English grammar class. Today we will discuss chapter number 4, topic transformation. Dear students, today I will solve the exercise point B. Transform the following sentences. Transform the following simple sentences as directed by. All the sentence in this exercise simple sentence. We have to change as directed by. हमें ब्रैकेट में जैसी डायरेक्शन है उस तरह से चेंज करना है. So first sentence, Mr. Rao expects to meet the minister tomorrow. Mr. Rao मिनिस्टर से कल मिलते हैं. कल. This is simple sentence. Mr. Rao expect. This is principal clause. To meet the minister tomorrow. This is infinitive clause. ये infinitive से यहाँ connect है. We will change into complex sentence. Change into complex. Complex में हमें one principal clause और one हमें subordinate clause की need होती है. Now we will change into complex sentence. Hopefully tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow Mr. Rao expects. Mr. Rao expects to meet the minister. To meet the minister. Meet the minister. Like this we will change into complex sentence. Number second sentence, knocking at the gate. Gate को knock करते हुए we demanded admission. This is phrase and this is principal clause. We have to change into compound sentence. Compound sentence में two classes होती है और वो दोनों प्रिंसिपल क्लास मेन क्लास होती है, कंप्लीट क्लास होती है. यहाँ पे we demanded admission. We demanded admission. We demanded admission. We demanded admission. While looking at the gate. While looking at the gate. This is. We demanded admission. This is main clause. While looking at the gate. While यहाँ पर conjunction हो गया और looking at the gate. Like this we will change into compound sentence. Sentence number 3. After reading the document, साइन एट द बॉटम, नीचे साइन कर दीजिए, कृपया नीचे साइन कर दीजिए। वी विल चेंज इनटू कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस। कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस में चेंज करेंगे हम इसको। प्लीज साइन एट द बॉटम, प्लीज साइन एट द bottom, please sign at the bottom once you have finished reading it, once you have finished reading it, please sign at the bottom once, एक बार नीचे साइन कर दीजिए। You have finished reading, जब आप उसे रीड कर लें। नंबर 4 सेंटेंस, thinking aloud, he revealed, thinking aloud, he revealed his plans to everybody. Change into compound. Compound. He revealed his plans to everybody. He revealed his plans. He revealed his plans to everybody. Everybody while thinking aloud. You will change into compound sentence. He revealed his plans to everybody. This is main class, this is complete. Principal class, main class, and while thinking aloud. While conjunction here, thinking aloud. जो है सेकेंड क्लास होगी। दिस इज कंपाउंड सेंटेंस। सेंटेंस नंबर 5, I overheard all their remarks. मैंने उसके सारे रिमार्क्स को ध्यान से सुना। Overhear, ध्यान से सुनना। We will change into complex sentence. I overheard all their remarks, all their remarks उनके सारे रिमार्क्स, all their remarks were overheard by me, were overheard by me. All their remarks overheard by me. Sentence number 6, we don't know their hiding place. We have to change into complex. About their hiding place, we will change about their hiding place. About their hiding place. We don't know anything. Don't know we don't know anything. About their hiding place, we don't know anything. We can write. In spite of planning the outing myself. This is fresh. I wasn't able to accompany my parents. We will change the sentence. I couldn't accompany my parents. I couldn't. My company. I couldn't. I couldn't. I couldn't accompany my parents despite planning the outing myself. Outing myself. I couldn't accompany my parents despite planning outing myself. Like this, we will change into compound sentence. This is main class and this is main class. Despite is conjunction here. Yes, sentence number 8. While traveling by train, you must take care of your belongings. While traveling by train, ट्रेन में यात्रा करते हुए आपको अपने belongings की, अपने सामान का ध्यान रखना चाहिए. चेंज इनटू कॉम्प्लेक्स. कॉम्प्लेक्स में हमें चेंज करना है और कॉम्प्लेक्स में हमारी one principal class होती है और one subordinate class. Then we will write, you must take care of your belongings while traveling by train. You must take care of your belongings. You must take care of your belongings while traveling by train. Traveling by train. Second sentence, number 9. Trying to avoid trouble at work. Trying to trouble at work. Jatin took a day's leave. Try to avoid trouble at work. वर्क में परेशानी को नजरअंदाज करने का प्रयास करते हुए अवॉइड करने के लिए जतिन ने एक दिन की वन डेज लिव ली। चेंज इनटू कंपाउंड सेंटेंस, देन वी विल राइट जतिन took a day's leave. Jatin took a day's leave. Took a day's leave. Jatin took a day's leave while trying to avoid try to avoid trouble at work. Jatin took a day's leave. This is one sentence complete class. While trying to avoid trouble at work. This is one new class. Now, sentence number 10. Before leaving Singapore. सिंगापुर छोड़ने से पहले, बिफोर लिविंग सिंगापुर छोड़ने से पहले I got presents for my parents and my siblings. We will change into compound sentence. Then we will write I got presents for my parents and siblings. I got presents for my parents and siblings. I got presents for my parents and siblings before I left for Singapore. Before I left for Singapore. Like this. We will change this sentence into yes. I got presents. We will write here I got presents for my parents and siblings before I left for Singapore. So students, like this we will solve the exercise. I hope that you have understood all the exercise. Okay student, all the best.